wonder if it'll take 10 minutes to fill up. No, that might be too high. We'll see. I hope I didn't zoom in by accident. I think it fills up slow as it gets high. I'll just help it. I think something was wrong with it, because now it's filling up really slow. Yeah, it's sticking, it's not shutting off, that's the problem. Even though it's brand new. 1.0, 1.6 dual flush. American standard. Looks like. Made in Mexico. Repair parts. These push on these buttons. Newer Floodmaster 400A American snare and cap. There's an American snare in the cap though. What's this? Looks like maybe you're supposed to insert the overflow tube in there, but I'm not sure if it's filling up without that. Maybe that's to keep it from sticking, but it still seems to be half flush. Look, it's filling up. That's interesting. This is going up right here. Is that the overflow? Oh, that's probably the overflow tube, although I don't know why it floats up like that. I don't know why it isn't just stationary, full flush. Oh, I see the problem now. When I lift this up, it seems to be it seems to hit something on its way up. Like I feel resistance. That's probably the problem. Ooh! Connector. Inoxidizable. Inoxidable, I think. Yeah, look at her. So it seems to only stick when there's no water, but it still seems to be the problem with sticking. This happens to be renovated. Still one of the old showers, but they're now used for storage. One of them is missing. His handle is broken. His board is damaged. They're now used for storage. That was one of them.